As a guest, when you pick up your car, you'll notice the detail that we put into every car. Every car leaves here as though it were leaving the dealership. It will look brand new. The paint finish, the interior, under the hood, in the trunk, wheels, tires, from end to end, we detail that car, generally speaking, around 10 hours. On average, about 10 hours. We're not trying to get a car back into the guest's hands looking okay, or even looking good. We truly want the car back to factory specification. And you can only do that with the latest, greatest equipment, the latest training for your technicians. It's non-trivial and it's not that common.